Good evening, everybody, and welcome to a Monday. As we look out over the city of Grand Rapids, we've got some partial skies out there with some high clouds coming in and some blue sky, but the light is going to be cut off here as the sun is setting, and we'll also see the clouds sticking up. A light mix is possible tonight. After midnight into tomorrow morning, I can't rule out the chance. It's a slight chance, but from Grand Rapids southward, maybe some drizzle, freezing drizzle, or some light snow showers possible as a low pressure system passes down to our south. Overall, it's going to be cooler this week. We're going to start to ratchet the temperature down by tomorrow. Instead of being up around 50 like we were yesterday and today, we'll probably only make about mid-30s tomorrow. Accumulating snow is now looking likely Wednesday night into the day on Thursday. On one of our forecast models yesterday, that wasn't even there. So all of a sudden, this is kind of popping up, and it looks like the storm system's coming a little further to the north. So accumulating snow looks like it's going to be a pretty good bet during that time frame. Nothing on radar right now. Look at our temperatures. 39 up there in Big Rapids, 45 in Grand Rapids, still hanging on to 50 right now in Three Rivers. You can see the wedge of warmer air coming all the way up here, but here's the colder air that's lurking back off to the north and west. That's what's going to start to press in here from the north and west down to the south and east. So we'll only probably be mid, maybe upper 30s tomorrow, and then around the 30-degree mark across a lot of the rest of the week here. Here's clouds and radar moving over the last several hours. All this gray shading is the cloud cover. There's a big hold over our area, so we'll have partly cloudy skies over the next few hours, but those clouds will thicken up. There's a little bit of precipitation down here in green. That's liquid, but there is a low pressure system that's going to track over the southern Great Lakes, and there may be just enough moisture and just enough lift to squeeze out some very light precipitation overnight. Drizzle, freezing drizzle, maybe some light snow showers from Grand Rapids southward, but if there is, it's not going to amount to a whole lot, but it won't take much to grease up the roadways with that. So becoming cloudy through the overnight hours, a light mix will be possible. Lows drop to around 30 degrees with a northeast to turning north wind at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. Here's what the weather map looks like. That big L is the low pressure area. This is at 9 p.m. You can see this is going to track just south of the Great Lakes. The appreciable precipitation will stay down to our south, but again, there may be a little bit of a light mix in those areas from Grand Rapids southward as we go through the overnight hours and into tomorrow morning. Otherwise, I think the rest of the day on Tuesday is going to be mainly cloudy. High pressure is going to try to build in here, so Tuesday night into Wednesday, we'll see some partial clearing. Should get in on a little bit of sunshine early Wednesday, but already there's another system that's going to be coming up from the south. This is as far out as this model goes on Wednesday at 6 p.m. So let's go to the next model. You weather geeks may know this is the European model. We've used it many times before on this broadcast. This is at 6 p.m. Wednesday. Watch what happens as we go into Wednesday evening, Wednesday night. Look at the snow kind of blossom across the area. All that blue is snow. And by 6 a.m. on Thursday, we've got snow coming down across most of the area. Even as we go through at least the first part of Thursday, there's the next low pressure area. That starts to pull out of here, but then we get some cooler air behind this system. So Thursday evening, Thursday night into the day on Friday, we likely see some lake effect snow showers here. And you can see, even as we go into Friday morning, there's some snow showers at least around the area. So how much snow are we talking about? Let's use that same forecast model because this is the one I think is most in line. Again, it's the European model. We'll pick this up at 6 p.m. on Wednesday. Notice there's nothing on the map because nothing's falling yet. But as we go through Wednesday night into Thursday, Thursday night, and this will take us into Friday morning at about 6 a.m., you can see it's knocking out probably about 4 to 5 inches across a lot of the area. There may be some 6-inch totals further south and east of Grand Rapids, but it looks like about 3 to 5 inches right now. And again, that would come Wednesday night and through the day on Thursday. So it would be the Thursday morning commute and the Thursday evening commute that would be impacted by that steady to moderate snowfall of about 3 to 5 inches. Here's your Fox 17 7-day planner. We're in the mid-30s tomorrow, so already that's a difference of about 15 degrees. Chance of that light morning mix, otherwise mostly cloudy. Might be a little bit of sunshine early on Wednesday, but otherwise the clouds thicken up, 30 degrees there. Night snow develops, and then that goes into Thursday. We're talking highs only around 30, 31 degrees with snow likely, especially through the first part of the day. There may be some lake effect snow showers in here on Friday. We're still only 30 and dry on Saturday, and then maybe a warm up as we get into the beginning of next week into the mid to upper 30s rather. So we'll have to watch for a light mix tonight into tomorrow morning, but the bigger scene is probably going to play out for Wednesday night into Thursday with that heavier snow that's going to be coming in. We'll talk more weather in the 6:30 half hour, guys.